Do you already do you already have do you already do you already have a Gmail account? Do you already have a Gmail account but would like to create another for personal or for business? Do you already have a Gmail account for Do you already have a Gmail account but would like to create another account for personal or for professional business? For personal or for professional usage, but don't have another spare number. But don't have another phone. But don't have another but don't have another spare phone number? Well, in this tutorial, we will show you how to create Well, in this tutorial, we will show you how to create a Gmail account without having to need another phone number. First, head on over into Gmail. First, head on over into Gmail and then click Create an account on the top right. Fill in your application. Fill in your details. And then on the next page, as you can see, the phone number is optional. Google is, however, requiring for you to enter your date and your gender, and then click Next. And then you can choose your personalization. Then you can choose your personalization settings. Usually, you would just go for the express personalization so that everything is all set up for you. Have a read at the, have a read and confirm the personalization settings and cookies. Have a read through the extra details that Google is Have a read through the extra details on how your data is used. Once you're happy, click confirm. And finally, have a read at the privacy and terms. And then click agree and click I agree. This would then go straight into your email inbox. This would then go straight into your Gmail account, and congratulations, another you have successfully created a Gmail account without using your phone number. Congratulations! Congratulations! You now have created your own You now have created a Gmail account without using another phone number. You now have created a Gmail account without providing a phone number. I hope that this tutorial has been helpful to you. I hope that this tutorial has helped you, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support this channel.